Welcome back, everybody. Today is the bike show day at Thunder by the Bay 2026 right here in Sarasota, Florida. I brought the bike in. I was a little squirrely. It was my first day riding that foot clutch turbo bike, the shovel that I built, but I was able to ride it from down the block in that parking lot to across the street, and I didn't dump it, so I'm happy with that. Got the bike registered and everything like that. A lot of cool bands playing today, and Teutul Jr. is here today, so I got one of these, if you guys remember these Pez dispensers, you guys know I obviously got Mikey and Paul to sign it for me, so I just got one more signature to get. Let's see if I can make it happen. Oh yeah, because my buddies had to get around. They might have used it. They might have early 2000s. And then had to lay around. So I appreciate it.
Awesome, thank you.
Alright guys, we made it. We're inside the bike show. Let's check out some of these choppers, baby. That's cool. Jackpot right there. Cool little treasure chest sissy bar. That's sweet. No, you're all right. All right, guys, Recycles just showed up, and he's gonna steal the show. I have a good feeling about it. Pulling up on his shovel head bobber. What you think, man? You gonna take home some hardware today?
Maybe, hopefully.
I think you will, bro.
Thanks for that change cycle supply exhaust we got there.
Go up there. What are you doing? What is...
All right, guys, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Brett Reese with Recycles. Tell him what happened today at 2026 Thunder by the Bay.
Well, this exhaust got me a little trophy here. And
Check it out, guys. First show out, second place in the vintage class.
yeah.
And y'all seen this bike on the channel before. This is the most watched video that I've made of Brett's bike. He builds phenomenal bikes. This is probably one of the coolest bobbers that I've seen in a really long time. So tell us, what do you think is your favorite part of the bike, dude?
The exhaust and probably the Springer front end.
Yeah, that Springer's sick, dude.
Just wanted to do a Springer front with that fat tire, a little bobber.
Yeah, that's a clean look, bro.
Got the jockey shift set up.
Oh, it looks like you switched your pedal or something from last time.
I did. I wanted something with a little bit more ergonomics.
Yeah.
And I felt like I was kind of kinked in too much, so that gave me a better feel on it.
Very cool.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, it looks great, man. I'm glad you were able to win a trophy, man. That's sick.
Yeah.
We got lucky this year.
No, yours is skill. Mine is luck.
We got lucky. Yeah, this year I took 3 trophies home this year, so that was cool. You guys have seen this bike a million times. I don't gotta walk around it again, but yeah, it's just cool when you and your friends get some trophies and stuff like that, and get to hang out at a cool local show. We don't have to drive all the way to Bike Week or something. So
Yeah, Sarasota, baby.
yeah. Like always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to JAMESCYCLESUPPLY.com. Get yourself a hat, get yourself a t-shirt, buy some really cool chopper parts from me, and see you guys soon.